Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine. I am also fine. I am Shailaja, Social CRT, KGBV Marpalli, Rajanna Sirsilla district. Previous class discussed how many directions are there and direction on a map, scale or distance on a map. Today we are discuss about symbols. Children, look at the Telangana map carefully. What can you observe in this, children? Colors. Okay, very good. Districts. Okay. State outline. Okay, very good. And boundaries. Okay, very good. Triangle. Okay, children. These are called symbols. These are called symbols. Rock outside, districts, boundaries, and state outline. Children, symbols used in maps. As well, usually we use symbols to represent the physical objects on a map. Some of the symbols are listed in the table shown on the screen. And hence, in order to represent all the physical objects on a map, a point, line, or an area symbol is used. Repeat again, students. Symbols used in maps. Usually, we use symbols to represent the physical objects on a map. Some of the symbols are listed in the table shown on the screen. Hence, in order to represent all the physical objects on a map, a point, line, or an area symbol is used. Children, symbols. You know that maps are too small for us to draw pictures of the things shown on them. For example, we cannot draw the real school or bus stand or Malika's house as it will take too much space on the map. Therefore, we always show things on a map with the help of symbols. You may have noticed that in the district map, villages and towns are shown with dots and circles. Map makers prepare symbols appropriate to their needs. But some common symbols, which are called conventional symbols, are also used. The following is a complete map with symbols, scale, and proper orientation. Children, look at the picture carefully. What can you observe in this, children? Church, okay. Masjid, okay, very good. Trees, PO, RS, okay, very good, children. School, okay, very good. These are called symbols. These are called symbols. Tree, first one, tree. This symbol is used to represent a tree. Second one, tank. This symbol is used to represent a tank. Kacha road. This symbol is used to represent a kacha road. Pakka road. This symbol is used to represent a pakka road. Masjid. This symbol is used to represent a masjid. Temple. This symbol is used to represent a temple. Church. This symbol is used to represent a church. Meter gauge railway. This symbol is used to meter gauge railway. PTO. This symbol is used to represent a post and telegraph office. Settlement. This symbol is used to represent a settlement. Broad gauge railway. This symbol is used to represent a broad gauge railway. PS. This symbol is used to represent a police station. RS. This symbol is used to represent a railway station. PO. Post office. This symbol is used to represent a post office. Okay, very good, children. Children, what is this, children? You know traffic symbols. Okay, very good. Red color, orange color, green color. Red color, first one, indicates to stop before the line. Orange color indicates to be ready to go. Green color indicates to move the vehicle. Okay, very good children. Children, let the children learn about the symbols of the state. Telangana state symbols. State symbol, common name, Telugu name. State animal, spotted deer. Telugu name, Jinka. State bird, Indian roller. Telugu name, Palapitta. State tree, Jammi Chettu. Telugu name, Jammi. And state flower, Tangedu. Telugu name, Tangedu. Okay, children. Let the children learn about the symbols of the national symbols of India. National flag designed by Sri Pingali Venkaya. National symbol, lion capital adapted from the Emperor Ashoka's Dharma Stupa established at Saranath. National tree, banyan tree. National flower, lotus. And national language, Hindi. And national fruit, mango. National river, Ganga. National animal, Royal Bengal tiger. National anthem, written by Sri Ravindranath Tagore, Janagana Mana. National bird, peacock. And national song, Vande Mataram, written by Sri Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. And national aquatic animal, dolphin. And national calendar, based on Sheka Samvatsara Chaitra Masam to Palguna Masam, we follow the Gregorian calendar officially. National heritage animal, elephant. And last one is Indian Standard Time, IST, based on 82.5 degrees east longitude. Our local time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. IST, Indian Standard Time, and GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, children.